We're going to the train.
We're gonna go buy our tickets.
Mama's a trooper. 90-degree heat.
This was my idea. She's just chocolate. Where are we going?
Thank you. Hi, Tony. What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm on the
That's the only thing about. Turn around. Pack me, old daddy.
Over there. Hey.
What else do you see?
Mommy, look that. Let's go to the frog there.
Said hello.
Hello,
I want to tell
okay.
her about the world that she doesn't know.
That's pretty good right there. So today we went down to, where did we go down to? We went down to, we took the train today.